Morning, guys. It is it's about I think it's about 8:30 in the morning, and it's -0 here in the UK. But I'm out for a little last ride before the wheel has to go back. So this is going to be a quick update video really on my S18 as well, and just some final thoughts on the 16X. So I've been riding the 16X for about 3 weeks. The guys at Speedy Feet gave me the option to use this wheel while my wheel is in for repairs. So I was so lucky to get this wheel for such a long time, and I must say this is such a nice wheel. You know, the ride quality, the build quality, the tire is nice, you know, the little built-in mud guard is nice. Everything is just really well put together and built. You know, the front light is good, the app is really good, you know, the little running lights in the rear and the front, that's really nice. And then the trolley handle, you know, it's a awesome trolley handle. You know, it's probably one of the best, I think. But yeah, it's coming to an end. My S18 is getting repaired hopefully tomorrow or this coming week, so I'm very happy about that. Ian gave me a quick email update on Friday saying that the board finally arrived, and they're gonna start fixing it on Monday. So it's going to be interesting to see if they see any water damage or any specific problems when they open the wheel up. Be quite interesting if they can give me some feedback. So yeah, so this is the end of the 16X. And I was just riding this thing now, and you know, cruising at around anything from around 18 to about 28 miles an hour. It's super solid, you know, it's just really nice and planted. So very happy with it. I'm going to cruise down to the canal and see how muddy it is there, and maybe get some footage there, and then yeah, close the thing off. Oh, one thing, while I wait for my wheel to get back, I also managed to get a ride on a electric mountain bike. It's almost like an e-bike. Well, it is an e-bike, but it's a step up from a normal mountain bike. It looks like a mountain bike, but it can also there's 3 different versions. You get this like a road version, then you get a more e-mountain bike, and then you get a downhill bike. So there's 3 variants of it, but look out for this video. I'm probably gonna go for a ride maybe tomorrow or in this week to next week, because I've got the bike for about a week to 2 weeks to give it a bit of a test. Really interesting thing. But yeah, so hopefully I'll get my S18 back, and then we can continue with riding a suspension wheel. Looking forward to getting the S18 back, to be honest. So yeah, enough of the waffle. Let's get on the wheel and do some riding. funny noise is this massive pylon. People making coffee in this freezing weather. I was just wondering, what is that noise? But yeah, there's the 16X. Great little wheel, great. Not little wheel, but I think this 16X cost pretty much exactly the same as the S18. Last time I checked, just under £2,000. But yeah, solid wheel, man, guys. You can't go wrong with this. Good range, good speed. You know, it's not as fast as like the Sherman and all those other, the RS and whatever, but man, it's nice and torquey, and it goes like stink. So I'm super happy to recommend this wheel, to be honest. Not that I'm a super duper master of knowledge of all electric wheels, but yeah, just if you want a good solid wheel, it just works enough. You know, I've been riding these wheels for quite a long time. Maybe not a wide variety of wheels, but definitely for a long time. My first wheel was that 9-bot C Plus, I think. That's the end of my ride. I'm gonna head home. My eyeballs are frozen. I definitely need to tape up the helmet vents here, because it's now I see most of the guys in Europe, like what is it, Wrong Way and a few of the other guys, they all ride with full face helmets with a visor. So it's definitely worthwhile, if you're gonna do long rides, is to maybe just get a cheap full face helmet, because it makes a big difference. Morning. But yeah, really the winter riding is stuff that I would recommend is like a decent set of gloves, like insulated gloves, that's windproof as well, not just insulated, it needs to be windproof as well. I've got my Keis heated jacket, a helmet. Now if you do have a mountain bike helmet or whatever, get some, maybe like some goggles. I've actually bought a pair of goggles, but I haven't tried it yet, so I need to do that. Maybe on the next ride. I was a little bit stupid to not use the goggles this morning, but yeah, tape up the helmet, get some goggles, or get a cheaper full face helmet. This stuff is not that expensive. If you compare a full face helmet to this helmet, I could have bought a really decent quality full face helmet. So yeah, and then some trousers with some knee pads in. That's also insulated, keeps me nice and warm. And yeah, get out and ride. So that's goodbye for the 16X. Hopefully I'll get some news in this week that I can go and fetch my S18. I'm going to be back on that wheel. But yeah, watch out for the mountain bike video. I think it's going to be fun. I had a quick blast around the local road, and man, the thing is a beast. But yeah, see you guys on the next ride, and stay safe. Cheers.